Welcome again to another video. My name is Nadine and I'm from the beautiful island of Jamaica, now living in Winnipeg, Manitoba. Today, we'll be doing another quick and easy breakfast idea of fried dumplings with codfish and a refreshing green juice. Guys, stick and stay with me while we go ahead and prepare this sumptuous breakfast idea. Don't forget, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so whenever I drop a video, you are notified. Come along, guys. Now, today we'll be doing some fried dumpling with some codfish cooked down. We begin by sieving our flour. We sieve the flour to get rid of any lumps and to aerate the dough. We're going to add about quarter teaspoon of salt. Some persons may add just a pinch of salt depending on you, of course. We're also going to add about 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Of course, this is optional. We are also adding some butter. We're going to wash our hands and then we are going to combine all of this. We'll then add water and start to make our dough. This is me making the dough, right? We add water. Now guys, this is the dough. We're finished. We have damped a piece of paper towel and we're going to cover this pan and leave it to set for about half an hour. Okay, our dough has been resting for about 45 minutes and now we are ready to make our dumplings. Okay, so we do like this. Take them apart in sections. So I'll section first. Now we're going to roll. guys, we're gonna make a very refreshing green apple juice. Simple juice. We have here celery, lemon, ginger, and some green apples. We're gonna put everything into the blender. So there it is, guys. Breakfast is ready. Fried dumplings with codfish and green apple juice.